Is 06/17/2019. So we are here in Boyton area, Mr. Andrew and Mrs. Kathleen area. So we did around 1,200 square feet of porcelain. Like you guys see here, this is 12 by 47 and this is 8 by 47. So we stagger it. We do a small line 116. And Andrew, how was the job? How was the company? You like the job? You recommend us? Tell our customer about it a little bit.
You guys did a great job. We were recommended by somebody else, someone else's house that you guys did. They said you guys did a great job, so we decided to give you guys a shot, and you guys were fast and you did great work, and we're really happy with the result.
Okay, I appreciate it. If you guys need our job, we do a free estimate. Our phone is 754-366-1565. Give us a call. And I'm so glad Mr. Andrew and Mrs. Kathleen, they are happy with the job we perform over here. So thank you very much. And thank you. I appreciate you guys.
Amazing
I'm so
job.
glad you guys are happy.
Thank you.
Thank you.